Good morning, this is Ken Earl with EZkem, again in our production lab going over membrane modules. We just went over membranes and now we wanted to go a little bit more in detail into the different modules that we have for gas diffusion. The two basic types are acrylic and polysulfone. They really are very much the same. They have the same channels and whatnot, but some people prefer the polysulfone. Some applications may have a better sensitivity to chemicals in acrylic. It's hard to say. I'll let you decide on that. Of the polysulfone, we have two types. We have two paths. The wider channel with a narrower depth and the narrow width with deeper depth is different sensitivities. The wider channels is for lower level sensitivity. The shallower channels are for less sensitivity. So in other words, higher, often soil. And you recall this has the notch on it for the type C membrane. You can still use the round polypropylene on here. It will still work. It will seal. We also have two types of polysulfone. Some of them have the fittings below. This is called a gas diffusion module with mixed T, and then some of them don't have the mixed T's just for the gas diffusion. They're really just the same module, but with allowing different types of connections to be made on the module. Of course, the acrylic module has all of the mixed T's on it. All of these are pretty much going to do the same thing, just with different applications. So if you have any questions about the different aspects of how they can be used, be sure and let us know.